In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an out-of-office message in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to block off time on your calendar so clients can't book during your time away, whether that's for a short appointment window or an entire day. First, open SimplePractice and go straight to your calendar. This is your home base for availability, so it's the right place to mark yourself as unavailable. Make sure you're viewing the day or week where your time off will occur so you can see the changes as you make them. Next, look for the plus button and choose Schedule Appointment. From the options, select Out of Office. This is important because it's different from creating a regular appointment. Out of Office tells SimplePractice that you'll be unavailable, and it prevents new bookings during that time. Think of it as a protective block that keeps your schedule accurate and your boundaries clear. Now set the date and time. If you're stepping away for a specific part of the day, choose a start time and an end time that cover the period you're not taking appointments. If you'll be away the entire day, simply mark all day. That saves you from having to pick individual times and ensures your availability is completely blocked for that date. A quick tip here. If you need buffer time before or after your commitment, like travel or prep, choose a slightly wider time range so you're not rushed. Also, if you work with clients across time zones, double-check that your calendar's time zone is correct before you save so your block lands exactly where you expect it. When your details look right, click Save. You'll immediately see the out-of-office block appear on your calendar. From this point on, clients who try to schedule during that blocked window won't see availability there. This helps prevent last-minute bookings and keeps your schedule consistent with your plans. It also signals to you and your team that those hours are off-limits, so you can plan the rest of your day with confidence. That's all it takes. Go to your calendar, click the plus button to schedule appointment, choose out of office, set the date and time, or mark all day, and hit Save. It's a quick habit that pays off by protecting your time and keeping your client experience seamless. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to use these steps anytime you're out, even for short breaks, so your schedule always reflects your availability.